everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ke ngaleli celebrity ke elingu Felix Hlophe ongumsakazi weGagasi FM, aphinde ke futhi abe comedian. Well guys, yeah man, uFelix have been trending for the past few weeks guys, ngenxa ukuthi ke kugcwale kusabalale ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi ke ufuna ukuthatha unumber 2, usefuna ukuba indoda enesithembu ajoyine ke laphana ke ubaba ke umseleki ngokuba nonkosikazi ongaphezulu ke koyedwa. So ke abantu besifazane ke le ndaba yesithembu ayibahlali kahle nje, noma ingahlangene nabo like personally, but nje mabeyizwa ayibahlali kahle because bayithatha bayibeke bayifake icathulweni zalo muntu wesifazane kusuke kufanele kube khona omunye umuntu wesifazane ozongena in the family. So abanye bathi ke ibhlungu lento yokuthi ke uyathandaza on the other side uthi uNkulunkulu bless my husband ukuthi izinto zakhe zihambe kahle financially, yonke into ibe right, yabo sibe right ne family. Kanti yena uthi uNkulunkulu bless me so that I can take a woman of my dreams, like ngithatha omunye unkosikazi wamaphupho ami, yabo azoba ke unumber 2, because the first wife, as much as there are other ezincazelo zokuthi why abantu bethatha isithembu, but into esekhanda lo muntu wesifazane ukuthi ke methatha isithembu kusho ukuthi mina angisamnelisi, I'm not a woman enough for him, that why efuna omunye unkosikazi. Anyway guys, yeah, indaba zabantu ke lezo and zizosikhathaza. Tracy Hlophe has finally said something on social media. Uteke, a lot have been said about my family, myself, and several people have been implicated in many theories and conspiracies. I thought I would just keep quiet, but I feel obligated to say something. Yesterday we made a live, she said yesterday they made live and distancing themselves from these sick allegations. However, the matter involving Ayanda remains private. Kusho ukuthi indaba ke ka number 2 bazoyikhipha iyimfihlo yomndeni. Wesithi firstly we would like to some privacy and respect for the way we have chosen to structure our family. I have known Ayanda for a long time. At first when I met her I was upset, but as I got to know her through many dates and travels, I got to accept her. This is all new for us and we will give information once the time is right. At the moment, we only ask to be left in peace. Sishiyeni ngeoxolo phumani ezindabeni zethu. And wasethi ke akunamshado ke ozoba khona. Umshado ozoba khona uzoba ngoSeptember, and umshado wakhe ke no Mr. Felix Hlophe traditional wedding guys. Njengoba nazi ukuthi ke umuntu mefuna uthatha number 2 kumele aqale ashade unkosikazi wokuqala, uyabo. So ke ufuna ukulungisa yonke into ehambisana ke no Tracy, bese ke yakwazi ukuthi ke athathe ke omunye ke unkosikazi. But as for us, Nkosiyami, asiphumeni ezindabeni zabantu ngoba uTracy mesevumile, yeah, there is nothing we can say or do, as much as this is so painful because wow, it's so personal to bantu besifazane le ndaba ka Tracy. And but ke if esevumile guys, there's nothing we can say. Into yesithembu ke, it's either you are in or uyaphuma. It's either uyahlala emshadweni wakho noma ke uyashiyela unumber 2 ukuthi azotake over. So ukushiya ke emshadweni wakho guys, it's not an easy thing. Unabantwana, there's a lot at stake guys. So yeah man, we must just respect her decision, and yeah, bye.